The Milky Way is approximately 890 billion to 1.54 trillion times the mass of the Sun in total. 8.9 times 1011 to 1.54 times 1012 solar masses. Although stars and planets make up only a small part of this, estimates of the mass of the Milky Way vary, depending upon the method and data used. The low end of the estimate range is 5.8 times 1011 solar masses, somewhat less than that of the Andromeda Galaxy. Measurements using the Very Long Baseline Array in 2009 found velocities as large as 254 km per second, 570,000 miles per hour, for stars at the outer edge of the Milky Way. Because the orbital velocity depends on the total mass inside the orbital radius, this suggests that the Milky Way is more massive, roughly equaling the mass of Andromeda Galaxy at 7 times 1011 m within 160,000 light-years, 49 kpc, of its center. In 2010, a measurement of the radial velocity of halo stars found that the mass enclosed within 80 kiloparsecs is 7 times 1011 m. According to a study published in 2014, the mass of the entire Milky Way is estimated to be 8.5 times 1011 m. But this is only half the mass of the Andromeda Galaxy. A recent 2019 mass estimate for the Milky Way is 1.29 times 1012 m. Much of the mass of the Milky Way seems to be dark matter, an unknown and invisible form of matter that interacts gravitationally with ordinary matter. A dark matter halo is conjectured to spread out relatively uniformly to a distance beyond 100 kiloparsecs, kpc, from the Galactic Center. Mathematical models of the Milky Way suggest that the mass of dark matter is 1 to 1.5 times 1012 m. 2013 and 2014 studies indicate a range in mass as large as 4.5 times 1012 m and as small as 8 times 1011 m. By comparison, the total mass of all the stars in the Milky Way is estimated to be between 4.6 times 1010 m and 6.43 times 1010 m. In addition to the stars, there is also interstellar gas, comprising 90% hydrogen and 10% helium by mass, with 2/3 of the hydrogen found in the atomic form and the remaining 1/3 as molecular hydrogen. The mass of the Milky Way's interstellar gas is equal to between 10% and 15% of the total mass of its stars. Interstellar dust accounts for an additional 1% of the total mass of the gas. In March 2019, astronomers reported that the virial mass of the Milky Way galaxy is 1.54 trillion solar masses within a radius of about 39.5 kpc, 130,000 light-years, over twice as much as was determined in earlier studies, suggesting that about 90% of the mass of the galaxy is dark matter.